Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Sharon. You're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, how are we all doing? Hope we are fine, we are good. Thank you guys for the support and the love. I really appreciate you all for the support you guys are giving us. Hey God, thank you guys. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Please keep on watching, don't give up on us, okay? Thank you. If there is anything you don't like that we're doing, you come just put it in the comment section, guys. We will change, okay? So guys, in today's video I'm going to make carrot fufu. So these are my carrot that I'm going to use in making my carrot fufu. You can use any quantity of your choice. So this is my flour. I'm using corn flour. You can use any flour of your choice. And this is my turning spoon and my knife and my blender. So this is what we just need in making our carrot fufu. So let's begin. You see how I make carrot fufu from carrot. Like those that are looking for what to eat to lose weight, like plus size people like me. Even though you are not plus size, you can eat this, as we all know that carrot is very good and healthy in our body. So that is it, guys. So let's begin. Now I'm going to wash our carrots. My carrot is clean, guys, but I'll see just wash it little. So let's begin. So guys, now I'm going to wash the carrot. Just scrape it a little. I'm going to scrape it a little just to remove the black spot on it. So now we are going to chop our onion, our carrot. Sorry guys, say onion. Our carrot. So we are going to chop our carrot now, so that we can blend it. Chop it little, like this. Wash it very well, and this is very good. Carrot is very good in our body. So why we are chopping it like this is because so that the blender the carrot can blend very well. So that is why. You can boil it if your blender is not strong enough. You can blend it, you can boil it. After chopping it like this, you boil it. But I'm going to blend it with my blender. Blend it very smooth. So you see, guys, let's just chop it very well. Now we are going to start adding. So I've chopped it. And add water. well blend. I'm going to filter it. So to reduce excess water. So now I've on the gas. Our carrot is inside. So we start stirring. Start stirring. Stir. Keep on stirring. So now we are going to add the corn flour or any flour of your choice. Add more to thicken it. Guys, our carrot fufu is ready. So guys, give it a try. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.